Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from bank to Venmo in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster, more secure, and super straightforward. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or sending cash quickly, Venmo is a go-to app, and by 2025, it's even better with enhanced biometric security and instant transfer options. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Venmo app updated to the 2025 version on your smartphone. This ensures you have all the new features, like facial recognition for logins. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're new, download it from your app store and sign up quickly. Step 1. Head to the Settings menu, usually found in the profile icon at the bottom. Look for Banks and Cards or Linked Accounts. Here, you'll add your bank account. Venmo now supports instant linking with major banks, so select your bank from the list and enter your login details securely. Step 2. Venmo will prompt you to verify your bank account. In 2025, this might involve a quick micro deposit or, for added security, a biometric scan like your fingerprint. Once verified, your bank account is linked and ready to go. Now, for the transfer. Go to your Venmo wallet or balance section. Tap on Add Money and enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank. You'll see options for transfer speed. Choose Instant for a small fee or Standard for free, which might take a day. Before you confirm, double-check the details to avoid any errors. Hit Transfer, and you're done. By 2025, most transfers happen in minutes thanks to improved banking integrations. A few tips. Always use a secure network. Keep an eye on fees, and monitor your account for any unauthorized activity. If you run into issues, Venmo's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. That's it for this tutorial. You've now mastered transferring money from your bank to Venmo. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.